Hey guys, this is a class monitor box. As you can see here, it's a very beautifully simple box with a lot of print over it, and this is how it looks from the inside. It says your child is a star. At the moment it is empty because I have spread out each and everything on the dining table. I will take you with me in this entire video. I'm going to show you what all is there, and the box is for about 3,500 rupees, and the age group that I called for was for 2.5 to 3.5 because my son is 2 years 6 months right now, and this is a perfect box for him. They also have a call center number. If you have any doubts regarding the box or the activities that they give you, then you can call them up and get your doubts clarified. Secondly, they have an app on Google Play as well as App Store, so you can go on that and register your child on that, and each day whatever activities are to be done from the following thing, you can do so. You can also shuffle the activities for the day. So for example, if today they are showing birds and you don't wish to do that with your child, or you think your child might not be interested, then you can shuffle the activity. Secondly, there are these barcode sign here. It says scan with classroom app for help. So whatever doubts you have, you can scan this and you can get it done. Also, the box is got a lot of activities which I am assuming and guessing so the child would never get bored. So starting with, this is the welcome class monitor learning kit paper. This is a welcome note from them that they are delighted that you've bought this. And moving on is this glass monitor learning kit guideline manual. I suggest you read the entire guideline manual properly, go with it, because over a period of time when you see these sheets, you get to know that they have made it very creatively and a lot of thinking has gone in this box. It's not like only few flashcards they diya and they've just given you some worksheets and said ki no, go ahead. There is a proper guideline given to it as to how to go about with the activities. So if you can see, there are fruits and vegetables. There is a sign for it out here. This is the shape sign, the color sign, and if you see, for example, if I take you for fruits and vegetables, there is a fruits and vegetable sign here. It's green in color. The outer ring is a green in color, so then you can get yourself coded. So this is the manual which I wish all the parents read before starting it out. Next is this cashback coupon they have given. It's for 300 rupees cashback. So when you refer a friend, you get a 300 rupees back. So this is 5 coupons they have given you, and you can refer friends, let them know about the class monitor box. This is not a sponsored unboxing. Let me just tell you, it's my own personal review, because as a mother or as a caretaker or as a grandparent or as a father, you wish to do a lot of activities with your kids. So this is a very good box. So I'll take you with me now. So the first thing in the activity comes is these ice cream sticks, some rope, some kite paper, glue. So as you keep moving on in the box, you will know where to use these. These are the flash color cards. These are the things. So if your child already knows what animal it is, then you can refer it with a color. Then they have these small flashcards which you can use it for traveling. Then are these numeric cards. Now if you see with the numeric, there are these dots. These dots are not just to signify the numbers, but this is actually a braille sign, which probably not everyone thinks so creatively. So these are the braille signs. I looked up on Google, and that's why I'm confirming it, that these are the braille signs. In the flashcard series, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 flashcards which are big in number. The smaller ones are 2. One is a color and one is a week. On the alphabet side, we have this. So they've given a capital and a small letter with a figure and the words of it. So right now my son can read this, so I make him do that. Also, as mentioned in the guideline book, they have this sign here with a color on top of it. So sometimes when you misplace a card, you can sort them clearly. So this is the alphabets, the numbers. So one figure, word and the number. Then this is a transportation figure. So in this you have a car, helicopter, bicycle, airplane, and so on. These are the shapes: circle, triangle, hexagon, diamond, all the shapes they've given. Then they have bug and insects. So this is where you have mosquito, dragonfly, big and very nicely placed flashcards. These are the people. So there's a doctor, there's a mailman, there's a policeman, then flowers, animals, then they have birds, fruits and vegetables are mixed. So these are the 10 big flashcards they have given. In the smaller section of flashcards, as mentioned, they have this color sign and days of the week, that's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Then they have this plant a tree flower printable that you can do with your kid. Then they have this sheets, bigger sheets they've given, and these are like the fun activities. So with the first one that I'm showing you is a Humpty Dumpty dice card. It's a Humpty Dumpty game that you can play with your little one. So there's a start line and a finish line, and there's a Humpty Dumpty, and then there's a horse. So they've made it into a nice poem format but in a game. I'm sure by now a lot of kids know this poem. This is a very hungry caterpillar. This is the days of the week that you can do with your kid. Now I know when you see so many sheets you don't get to know what exactly to be done. So for that they've given a very easy call center number. You can just call them up. Or if you're a mom who's already done these activities, so just put it in the comment section so the other parents can get benefit out of it. And this is the old McDonald had a farm. This my son thoroughly enjoyed it. So it's just been like 3-4 days that we bought the card and he's been loving it. This is the numbers. This you can take it with you when you're traveling also. When you want your child to do something, you can. This is a picture card. Picture talk farm animals. Then this is the parts of the body. Then this is a Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall collage. It's a color collage. So these are the color sheets they have given. Moving on with the worksheets, they are quite a number, which I am loving it myself, because when you have a toddler, you do give them iPad, you give them TV, you take them down to play, and sometimes you do a role play in the house. You become a doctor or a teacher, but there are times that you don't know what exactly to teach them and how to teach them. So these activity sheets are fun. You can either do it like a bedtime routine, which we start doing just before bed. We like give it half an hour and we start doing these activities, or sometimes in the evening, or when there's a holiday you don't know what to do. So these are the things you can. So this is the shape. This is roll a dice shape activity, letter shape die template. Then there's a human body. They've given it's a dice template. Then web hop insects printable. You can cut them out. Insects. Then there is numeric skills, flowers. Then there is colors, fruits and vegetables, literacy. Now the fun thing about these literacy skills is, say the color the letter C. So they've given a lot of C alphabets and the child has to either color or strike. If you don't see A and B, that's because my toddler has already done it. As you can see the creativity they have in them. And this is alphabet B. So these are the color the letter, which was really cool. Most of the time they want to do scribbling on a paper, and there's no better way than this. Transportation, birds, rhymes, community helpers, animals and stories. So this is Little Red Riding Hood bingo counters. So there are all the activity sheets that have been given inside. These are the contents of the box of the class monitor kit 2.5 to 3.5. For a mom who's already used this or is using, if there's anything that you want other people, other mommies or any other guardian, father want to know, please let me know in the comment section, because a community like us can help and spread amongst ourselves. So thank you so much for watching. Also, I have posted an unboxing of the video on my IGTV, that is Hinduja Ekta. I will put it down so you can see it there as well. Bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope now you got the idea of what I was talking about, and if you like it, then go ahead and get the box for your little one, because I'm sure they're going to enjoy it. Bye guys.